Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here's the kind of a questions and answer video because there's the videos that I made with the secure boot keys updated, and brings a lot of questions from a lot of users about, okay, what about if I don't use secure boot, I keep it off? What if I don't have new keys and there doesn't seem to have any way to update? What's going to happen? What is the problem that I could see? Here's the thing. If you go and, we showed you that Microsoft has updated the device security side of the Windows Security app to show you a check mark with different color depending on the status of the update of your secure boot keys. I think the big thing to understand here is, although it is, not a bad idea to have the latest keys because of security, it is also not something that will impact your system. If you don't use secure boot, first of all, those keys are kind of useless because you're not using the security system that secure boot brings to your PC. And it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. It depends the environment you are on and what you do with your computer. You want to have secure boot enabled and all of that for, if you have a PC that has very sensitive data that needs to be encrypted, you need to actually have it encrypted on your drive. You need to have everything as safe as possible. Those people are the ones that want to have secure boot on and make sure that it works well. They want the new keys. But if your secure boot's off, it doesn't change anything. You will continue having your updates as usual. It's just that you're not using that security feature. And for most home user, it's probably not much of a deal, basically. The other thing is for those that say, if I don't have the keys, is there a danger? Or if my secure boot's off, is there a problem? I don't want to, turn it on because I'm afraid that I could break something. So, nothing will happen. Past June 2026, you're going to continue getting security updates. It's just that the wording they use is in one of the pictures I was showing on the last video about secure boot. What they're saying is that you will receive their standard security updates. The Patch Tuesday updates are going to be there. It's just that there are separate security updates for the secure boot environment. And these are the ones you're not going to get because you don't use secure boot or you don't have the latest keys. But if you don't plan on using it, doesn't matter. It's not putting you at risk more. The important thing is to have the Patch Tuesday security updates. So whether you don't have the new keys, whether it's not activated, you're not using secure boot or whatever, that little check mark here isn't green. It's of all sorts of other colors, yellow, red, and so on. Past June, nothing's going to change for you. You will still continue getting security updates. And like I said, having all of that security with secure boot and the keys and everything is, much more into PCs that really are used in environments where security is a must and should be, really, really checked out. But, it is a layer of security more. It is technically better to have it. You don't. It's not that big of a deal for most people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.